Hey guys, so I get a question quite often on what I carry in my pocket. Not really sure why guys ask that, but I do get that question quite a bit. So I thought maybe I would do, or I should say carry on me, not in my pocket, but the general stuff that I carry in my pocket or on me. So the first thing is not always headphones, but these are noise canceling headphones. Ear protection, I guess you would say. This is something that I carry on. I always have it. Maybe I don't have it always on, but it's on my neck, or I put them in all the time, or I just use regular earplugs or ear muffs or something like that. It is one thing, my hearing isn't as good as it used to be, and I realize that I live in a noisy environment, so it's a good thing. Protect yourself. Make sure you're not going deaf. I do wear safety glasses. I know a couple of people have said something to me. I don't wear them a lot. I do wear safety glasses, but it's one of those things. Wear safety glasses, don't do as I do. Wear safety glasses so you don't lose your eyes. But this is the very most common thing that I have in my pockets all the time. And I don't know if some of it is because I used to work as a millwright or what the deal is. So I always have an adjustable wrench, metric round awl, whatever you want to call it. I call it a metric round awl. Paint marker is another one. I mark a lot of stuff. I mark stuff when I'm torquing it. I put a mark on it, like that type of stuff. So I almost always have one of these in my pocket. Standard screwdriver, a little guy. I got a dozen different ones of these. So I always have one of those in my pocket. Olfa knife, or a knife of some sort, usually an Olfa knife. Magnet on a stick. That's super handy. You drop a nut bolt. This is stuff that I carry in my pockets all the time. Pen, for obvious reasons. There again, marker, so you can mark stuff. And then a flashlight. So, nice bright flashlight is nice. This one is off the Snap-on truck. They're actually really expensive lights, but they're really nice lights. I do like them. Then obviously I do buy a lot of Snap-on stuff. But again, then I'm in the industry, so Blue Point. Your metric round all doesn't need to be Blue Point by any stretch of the imagination. There's lots of good quality stuff that's not Blue Point. And then these magnets and screwdrivers and stuff. But anyways, that is something this is stuff that I carry in my pocket all the time. I find it invaluable. If you don't have it, I'm always looking for it. And that's really that's the stuff that I carry in my pocket. Like I said, I've had lots of guys ask, which I think is kind of different, weird maybe. But anyways, that's, I guess, for guys that are getting into the industry and want to know, I know lots of guys that don't carry anything in their pockets, honestly don't carry nothing. I find that if I have this stuff in my pocket and I'm outside doing something, or, you're doing something quick, I can lots of times do a lot of things with the stuff that I have in my pockets and not have to come back in. So it's a time saver, easier to do. You just need a quick tighten a bolt, loosen a clamp, or stick it in a connector or something. This stuff is well worth your time to have there. So anyways, if you have anything you want me to do a video on, hit me down below. Comments, questions, all that jazz. You guys know what to do. And then if you have any type of videos you want me to do, little videos like this, I'd like to do, have some little videos, maybe stuff that I use or do that most people don't. Let me know if you see me using something that you don't know what it is or how to use it. Let me know, and we will monkey around with that a little bit, do some little videos and stuff. So just let me know. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.